Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Samsung WA40A3005WPR white top-load washer dryer pair. This washer features 8 wash cycles and 5 temperatures, giving you the flexibility to choose the right settings for your laundry. The dryer, WA41A3000W, has 7.2 cubic feet of capacity and 8 drying cycles with 4 temperatures, ensuring your clothes come out dry and wrinkle-free every time. If you're in the market for a new washer and dryer, this pair is a great option. With its high efficiency and reliable performance, it's a must-have for any household. Plus, the sleek white design will look great in any laundry room. So, if you're ready to upgrade your laundry appliances, be sure to check out the Samsung WA40A3005WPR white top-load washer dryer pair. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You can find the link in the description below to purchase it today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.